Let's talk about 7 amazing health benefits of Maidenhair Fern Capsules, or you can make it into a tea, and it's super safe. Great for a lot of different things. Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor for 34 years. Going to be 35 very shortly. Let's get the world healthy. I have 1,200 videos here. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Well, Maidenhair Fern, it's been around since the beginning of time. And it has a black stem with little interesting looking leaves. Very, very fragile, and it's beautiful. One of my favorite plants on the planet. There's no doubt about it. But it has so many health benefits. You may have this growing in your yard and you probably don't even know it. And it grows just about anywhere, any kind of damp area, Maidenhair Fern will grow. There's no doubt about that. And this is very safe and been used for hundreds of thousands of years. And I think a lot of people need to know more about this for sure. It's a wonderful anti-seizure or convulsant agent which can calm down the body when you're having a seizure of some kind. It helps to lower cholesterol, and I have to say, more than half of the people have some kind of high cholesterol going on now. So this is really important. Also helps with diabetes. First, it starts with the amylase in your mouth, and then it helps to regulate the actual glucose in your body too. Also great for COPD and asthma. It really is good because it has lots of anti-inflammatory capabilities and powerful antioxidants, very high in antioxidants. Also, it helps with thyroid disease, like a lot of things do. To help to get the cycles back in the normal rhythm and get hormones back in balance. Also, it's antibacterial, helps with Klebsiella, and also Shigella, chlorella, staph, all kinds of staph infections also, Vulgaris, Salmonella. If you've ever had salmonella poisoning, wait, really not good. I had it one time myself. Also, it's antifungal and helps with lots of fungi that you might be getting. So this is really important. Studies were done showing that it can speed up wound healing. If you have, some kind of wound that's not healing well, you can put some Maidenhair Fern on that as a tincture, extract, or something, whatever you want to make, and it will help speed up the healing. Also, very high in antioxidants, SOD, CAT, also glutathione, which is probably the most powerful antioxidant in the whole body. Really great for the kidneys and kidney disease because it's anti-inflammatory and also helps to break down stones, not as well as some other things, but it does help also. Also anti-inflammatory for the whole body, and it helps with pain. If you have pain going on, then you want to take some of this for sure. It really will help with the pain. And also helps with diarrhea. If you have the occasional bout of diarrhea, really great for that. It's antihistamine. If you have a histamine reaction, all of a sudden you're achy. And I remember one time I had a histamine reaction to mosquito bites. And we were out in nature one time, and I had to take something to get rid of it. I was just blowing up like a balloon. Also, it's a good detoxing agent too. I recommend on Amazon Therapeutic brand, and they have 450 milligram capsules, 100 of them for $25.11. And I'll put the link in the first comment so you can find it on Amazon. I don't get anything from that, but I want to make it possible for you to find it. I recommend taking it for 3 times a day for no more than 7 days. That's a good way to use it. Take a little time off from it, come back and use it again. Very safe. I don't recommend it for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children in general. And it's been used for thousands of years very safely. So really great stuff. There you go, Maidenhair Fern. You can get it in capsules. You can get it all kinds of different forms. I like the capsules myself. I know exactly how much I'm getting. But if you have something growing in your yard, you could take a couple tablespoons of it and put it in hot water, a cup of hot water, let it steep for 15 minutes and drink that 3 times a day. That will work also. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. I just had one of my clients, he actually had very high cholesterol and high diabetes also. His A1C was almost 9. Not good. And in 30 days, we got it down to 6.5, and that will come down even more. And his cholesterol went down to about 131, so it was really great. And that's just 30 days. 831-869-9119. Remember God, remember I love you. And every time we help somebody else, every time that we make a difference in somebody's life, that makes a difference in our life. And right now, there's a lot of people in the world that really don't care about other people at all. Oh, and that is, I'll tell you right straight out, it's an abomination. And we have to stop this completely. We have to love thy neighbor as thyself. That means you have to love yourself in order to love that other person, no matter who they are. And so, love all people. I love you.